In accordance with the President's decision to reopen schools on Friday, January 15, 2021, Zoomlion, a private sanitation company in collaboration with the Ministry of Local Government and Rural Development, has begun a fumigation exercise to disinfect schools in the country. The exercise, which is intended to prevent and reduce the infection rate of the novel coronavirus and to make our schools safe for students, has commenced with Valley View University College and Central University College in the Greater Accra region. Speaking to our reporter Samuel Larkai, Mr. Seth Okran, the general manager for Zoomlion at the Tamazone, said, though the disinfection exercise will be done periodically, it is also necessary to observe all the protocols. He assured students that the exercise will be conducted in a manner that will not interfere with academic activities.
With the event of this COVID-19 pandemic, it has become imperative that we do this exercise, this disinfection exercise, which has become something that has come to stay with the Ministry of Local Government and Rural Development, collaboration with Zoom Lion, to disinfect all schools, especially the tertiary schools, which are reopening very soon. The essence is that most places on the campuses have surfaces that have been touched. You know, these viruses, I mean, when you touch a place and you have virus in your, I mean, you get the place infected. So therefore, we need to disinfect to make sure that the place are conducive and hygienic for habitation. In other words, for students to use the facilities. That's the reason why we are disinfecting all the tertiary schools in Ghana. I believe beyond the disinfection, there should be the observation of the protocols. We're talking of sanitizers, Veronica buckets with water, and then soap with the for that, so that students can really wash their hands, and then the face masks. Because as for the disinfection, if we say we're going to do disinfection every day, it may be impossible, because it means that every day students must get out of lectures and stuff like that. But if these protocols are observed, wash your hands before entry into the lecture halls and other places, I believe we can reduce the virus on the various facilities. So what we are saying is that, yes, the disinfection will come on periodically, but the ideal thing is that all the protocols must be observed on the various campuses.
Mr. Okran went on to challenge parents to commit to the prevention process in order to safeguard their wards.
Parents must support the government by providing these basic things for their children. Sanitizer, face mask to go to school on a daily basis to protect the child. And the government, I know, is equally going to add on these things on the various schools so that we can protect our children. Whether we like it or not, children must go to school. We can't stay forever.
In all, 74 schools, including universities, health facilities, and training colleges, are expected to be disinfected. A report by Samuel Larkai for Reeby News, Accra.